phone without a physical home screen button. As you can see on my iPhone, I don't have a physical home screen, or I don't have a physical button here on the screen. So all I use the swipe feature. So if I'm on the application, I swipe it from downwards to close the application. I swipe and hold in order to see background apps. I can also use the direct back buttons within certain applications and navigate to the apps. Now, how you can enable it, you can head into settings. Once you head into settings, what you want to do is you want to head over and head into accessibility. From here, you want to scroll down and find the touch option. Once under touch, what you want to do is you want to find assistive touch here. So it should be at the top, and here you should be able to see various options. You want to toggle it on, and then see you can set a shortcut for single tap on the custom actions and set it to home. You can drag the floating button to any side of the home screen so it stays out of your way as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.